Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you a few websites that will help you make some income online straight into your PayPal account. These are great little sites that I've discovered over the last few months, and I've been using them to make a little bit of side income, which can be great for yourself if you're wanting to make some money on the side of your job, or if you're wanting to leave your work and be in the comfort of your home and make some money using some sites. These are great starting points. I don't think they'll lead to anything like a full-time income, but great for part-time and super easy, super quick, and yeah, because they pay you directly to your PayPal account. It's easy to cash it out and have that money in your account straight away. So without further ado, let's get started. Our first one here is a website called Swagbucks. Now, this is my absolute favorite way to earn some PayPal cash. It's free to sign up. As you can see here, you can sign up with Facebook, and basically it just rewards you for like a variety of things. You can watch videos, you can play games, earn some cash back from shopping, and many other things. So basically you earn some points, and then that gets turned into gift cards. So even if you don't want to turn it into PayPal cash or PayPal gift cards, you can use it to redeem for Walmart gift cards or Amazon as well. Um, so once you got enough money in your account, which I believe is $10, you can easily get that paid out straight to your account. And as you can see here, they've paid out $321 million to the members since they started, and there's lots of testimonials here. Um, as you can see here, we give out 7,000 free gift cards every day. So they're really doing a great thing. And yeah, that if you Google websites that help you make money online or anything like that, you'll consistently see Swagbucks come up. It's a great website and a great way to get started. Now, another simple way to earn some money to your PayPal account is Slice the Pie. So this website rewards you for reviewing music and fashion, but mostly it's music. And they'll directly, once you review, it gets you to review songs, and then in exchange pays you a small fee. This one is one of those websites where it's super easy, and if you like listening to music, this is great because it gives you all different genres, but you can tailor it to what you like. Um, at first, it pays you a little per song, not that much. But as you get better, and basically you get ratings based on your reviews. So the better reviews you give, the more money you earn. So you'll start not earning that much, but as time goes on and you get better and you give better reviews and get rated better, you're going to earn more money, and it's super simple, super easy. I really like this one as well. So yeah, and this one basically once you reach $10, then you can cash that out and it will go straight into your PayPal account. Now the third one here is called Micro Workers, and basically this is a micro task website that allows you to earn cash from small tasks. Things like data entry, quick transcription, research, and all sorts of things. This one basically, you can see down here, these are all the different tasks that you can get paid for, um, and there are heaps of them. Basically, you sign up, and then they use these templates, and once you use them, then you start uh, basically carrying out these tasks, and then you get paid individually for them. You can see here there's so many. So this is really great if you've got lots of other skills, you know, and they're all tiny jobs. They don't take long, and basically you're doing jobs along groups of other people as well. So it's basically like crowdsourcing jobs, and the great thing is you can, you know, you can sign up as a worker, and if you want any jobs done as well, you can sign up to be an employer too. Um, so yeah, this is another great website, and once again, it's free to sign up and pays you directly into your PayPal account. Now, the fourth one is Ebates. So this one rewards you for or gives you money cash back for shopping online. So, you know, everyone these days shops online, and you can see here they sign up with all these different brands, and when you sign up with Ebates, if you go through and use their uh, links and their coupons, then you get cash back for everything you buy. So you'll basically just get a get a percentage back of what you're purchasing. It's really that simple. And this money goes straight into your PayPal account. You can see here they've got all these different uh, categories, and here you can see these are all their offers. Uh, so often these brands will link up with Ebates if they've got sales on. So it allows you to buy stuff that you're going to be buying already for cheaper because you're getting a discount, and then on top of that, you get money back for purchasing the goods. It's really it's great. I mean, I use it all the time for buying stuff online, um, and yeah, you're just getting more of a discount really. But this money can go straight into your PayPal account and provide you with a little bit of income there. Now the last one is a website called QMe. And QMe is similar to Ebates in that you get paid to shop online, but instead of gain cash back for your purchases, you'll get paid simply for just the act of shopping. So it's actually QMe is actually a browser extension, and it pops up with related products when you search for a product online. You'll get paid even if you don't click on a product, but clicking will give you better rewards. Sorry. And the best part is that you only need a cent in your account with this QMe to get your cash out through PayPal. So this one's another good one alongside eBay. So you can just search. It's all done on keywords. Um, and yeah, here. So you search. It uses a browser app. It looks like that. And then when you're shopping, it comes up here with some suggested products to buy. Um, and yeah, you can even influence your favorite brands. So you can give feedback on certain products by participating in surveys and get paid for that as well. But this is kind of just QMe pays you for just simply kind of shopping or browsing for shopping for things. So it's another great website like Ebates to, incorporate earning money into something you're going to probably be doing anyway. So yeah, basically that sums up. There's 5 websites there, and the reason I like these is because they're not all just survey websites, which sometimes you get a bit sick of doing surveys. So these are some other options for you to earn some extra cash on the side of your job, or if you just want part-time income is another great way. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and you got something from it. I suggest you sign up to a couple of these and just give them a go, and hey, if you don't like them, you don't have to continue on. But yeah, I really like these sites, and yeah, hopefully you guys can find some success with them too. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.